Hmm. She mimics me when I open and close my mouth without making sound. How are these things not considered the cutest things in the world, though? I mean, look at her. She's just too fluffy. Ain't you beautiful, eh? Sorry. It's hard. I'm trying to both look at her and look at the camera at the same time whilst holding her up. Hey. You got a big chest. Hey. I generally look at you sometimes and think that you're not real. Because you're just too cute. Oh. I'm going to put her back in her cage in a few minutes. I'll spend a few more minutes out with her. Have a lovely day, everybody.